Good evening. My greetings for the Neuro Conclave 2024 held in Bengaluru. I wish I am personally being present there, but we are very happy that the organizing committee has done a great preparations for the various neuro and neurosurgical problems to be discussed during this Neuro Conclave. I must congratulate the President, Dr. Satishchandra, and his team who have brought in the various neurological problems affecting not just the nation, around the world. What are the most precise diagnostic tests that we can do during this conference, and more importantly, to enable the latest adaptation of technology in tackling these various neuro problems which are troubling not the nation, the world. And I think India today is now gearing up itself to become, according to the Prime Minister, Heal India, Heal by India. According to me, it is, India should become global healthcare destination. And the neurologist plays a very important role. A major part of the disease pattern in the world is neurological problems. I am happy that the organizing committee has brought out various topics of great interest in dealing in the diagnostic and the treatment aspects of the various neurological problems. I must also express my sincere thanks and greetings to Padma Bhushan Chris Gopalakrishnan for giving an oration on my behalf. And we all know him as one of the key leaders who have brought into the country the IT, Indian IT as a major global healthcare player. Got a independent status for IT, trained a number of people, gave the world Indian IT people as one of the best performers in IT, benefiting the families and the nation. So I think Chris Gopalakrishnan is I know him very intimately, right from the days he was in Boston. I must also congratulate Chris Gopalakrishnan for bringing IT technology for various governmental policies and become the nation is probably will be the first in the world in IT and technology. God bless all of you. I hope there will be so many takeaway points, so that our purpose as doctors is to give good health and happiness for families by not only care and clinical care, but along with care and compassion, and give it with cost benefits, so that people in the country as well as around the world are now started coming come to India. More than 160 countries, patients are coming into various hospitals in our country. I think this will further enhance our position in the global healthcare situation and lead towards our Prime Minister's vision of Heal India and Heal by India. God bless all of you. I love you all.